If you are looking at the Curriculum, Instruction, and Science of Learning PhD program on the Department of Learning and Instruction's website, you'll find that the program overview outlines a few different optional concentrations. If you don't see that your interest area is covered in these optional areas, you can pursue a customized concentration. You will select coursework in conjunction with your advisor to reach the required number of credits, seen here under Program Coursework, in each area of the program. It is suggested that you also review LAI faculty profiles, which can be done at the top of the screen here through the Department of Learning and Instruction's website by going to the Faculty and Staff tab and scrolling down to Faculty Directory. This way, you'll have a better understanding of what is offered through LAI, and you can also take a look at other Graduate School of Education departments to see if there are other faculty that align with your interests.